and welcome back to yet another spooky spook out season episode video with me, Jigsaw, Shantae, whichever you prefer to call me by now. And yet again, I'm not at my usual setup, but we're gonna make it work, and that's how we do. I have thought of 3 new makeup looks. We're gonna pull again from our trusty hat. I know our hat is not here, it's at my usual setup, so I've got a new hat. So for the next 3 weeks, the next 3 makeup looks we're gonna dive into would be Jason, Jigsaw and it. My brain was just like, nope, we are not remembering now. But it will work exactly the same like our previous 4 makeup looks with that. I will see if there will be time, if time allows us, for a 4th spooky spook out look for this season, but we will just see. I don't really think so. So therefore I have just chosen 3 looks. So again, as last time, we're gonna take our trusty hat and we're gonna pull a look and then we're gonna kick it. So first up for today, or for this week, it is Jigsaw. Can you guys see? So let's us do this, transforming into a Jigsaw inspired character makeup look. For this look, I was thinking, because I have done Billy, I think the name is Billy the puppet. So I have done a prosthetic version on my channel before. I will put it somewhere up here. But I was thinking, okay, let's try to recreate that puppet look, Billy look, without using prosthetics, by simply just drawing it on, trying to get our face shapes features into the puppet. So I'm gonna try to do that. So like any good makeup tutorial of mine, we're gonna start off by blocking out our lovely caterpillars. We are not gonna apply a bald cap, and I have gotten a new glue stick, so hopefully this time around. Marcus just sneezed on me. So let's do it. What angle? Where I want to go with the camera? It's so strange sitting on the bed doing the makeup looks, but we're gonna make it work. So let's continue to the next step of our makeup look, and I'm gonna take a white base and apply it all over the place. I wanted to say something else with that, but I can't remember now. But for now, let's add a white base all over the place. With our base on, and I can't really see if the camera is blurring or not, because I accidentally went a bit too over the powder, the translucent powder, so my eyes are just like... Let's just continue to the next step. So now we're gonna dive into shading and contouring to get into that puppet shape on my face shape. So I'm gonna first go into with a light brown, just to map out everywhere we want to go to contour that shapes in, and then I'm gonna dive into a black grey color, just lightly to harden those shapes a bit more up, to really give that shapes and forms of the puppet's cheeks, that very rounded cheeks, the mouth and the brows areas as well, before I'm gonna go to the eyes. We're first gonna shape out everything using a round fluffy brush, just to get our shapes all together. I don't know how I managed to look so angry so quick. Oh, I don't know whether to cry or laugh. I don't know what process I am now busy with. Oh, wait, let me continue. I'm gonna continue, otherwise I'm really gonna start laugh and maybe restart the whole process of this makeup look. So for the next steps, I'm gonna use a highlighting, just where we contoured a way to highlight to bring the shapes we just contoured in more to life. I hope you all are enjoying October so far. I'm enjoying it too much at this moment, too much, but I really hope you guys are still good. So we're gonna dive into a white aqua paint just to add some highlights. Ooh, why is this thing so sour? That was the most sour sweet tea I ever had. Sweet thing. Woo! This is very sour. This is very sour. Okay, I think I got my face under control now after the sourness of what the sweet tea was. The sweet treat. Sweet treat. I think it's a sweet treat. I think we call it a sweet treat in English. I even, woo, that was very sour. So now we're gonna dive into a black aqua paint to do our lovely eyes. Now I'm gonna do it in a rounded shape around the eyes. I keep on going out of frame like wee. I will try to stay in the center of the frame. So with the black aqua paint, we're gonna paint the eyes in a rounded shape and then just slightly blend the edges so it's not as harsh lines around the eyes. So we're not gonna do really any other particular shape than just trying to round it in that rounded eye shape puppet has, Billy. I'm so excited that I know what the puppet's name is. Now I'm gonna keep on trying to call him Billy. This is, I always just knew him as the Jigsaw puppet man. The Jigsaw, it's Billy. It's Billy the puppet. I'm mind blown. With the eyes on, and we are looking more mysterious as we carry on, and I love every bit and moment of it, except my lighting. I don't like my lighting. Oh, it's very nice.
A few moments later.
Now that we look a little bit more mysterious, we are going to add the circles, the spirals, spirals. I just need a bicycle. I wonder if I have a bicycle here. But let's add the spirals with a very thin brush. Yes, this is a paintbrush, and it's broken, but it still works. And a red cream paint. I have noticed I have doing makeup with more paint brushes than makeup brushes, but it still works. But let's add a red spiral on the cheeks, and I think we're also gonna do the red lips as well. last but not least for this makeup look is we're gonna add our classic splatterwork. So yeah, there, I'm in love with this makeup look. I love it. I love it. I love it. I've loved the prosthetics one. I always love prosthetics. I think I will always go for prosthetics, special effects makeup, but just drawing on, shaping your face, it was very satisfying to do. And I'm not too mad for the end result. It can always be a little bit neater, but for now I'm very happy about it. So let's splatter away. So I think this is it for the makeup part. Let's go find a costume. I accidentally had a very good haircut for this look. I don't know what else to think besides it's very fitting. This is a character. We can't deny this character is a character. This character can really live in the Jigsaw franchise. Let's just go take photos. Let's go take photos before I just question everything. Ooh, there goes my neighbor. I should probably wave. The possibility my bicycle might be broken. It doesn't want to. Ling ling. Wee. Wee. So this is it for today's spook out video, where we have done a makeup look inspired from the jigsaw that we have pulled from our hat. So what is still left is of course Jason and it. Anyway, so we will see you next week who we will do next. But I do hope you all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this channel, hit the thumbs up button, ring the notification bell, follow me on Instagram at CJ_MUA, and remember, till the next spooky, gamey adventure, spook out, spookies. Bye! I'm standing on my knees. If my head is keep on being cut off, maybe I should sit like this.